What's up, y'all? This video, I may or may not just found a way to get rich in the stock market. And it is my scanner. I think I found the scanner that finds money makers. Anyway, this one DouYu, for instance, DOO. What company is this? BRP. That's all you need to know. Anyway, what do we usually do? We start higher time frames, right? So that's the 12-month chart. We could see order block. This is actually one I'm in. I am currently in this one. Oh, wow. Perfect. Perfect. And we're in the order block. This is where you're supposed to buy. Not at all-time highs. Here, not here. Then you can take and draw your range of the whole entire year. And you can use these levels to make trades. You can see price reacted pretty well to these levels. Right? That's consequent encroachment of this wick. Order blocks inside the 50%. It went below the 50%. This is where you want to buy of the range. Below 50%. Now it's hard. It is hard, you know. You get a little impulsive. You see this, you might want to just enter, right? But you gotta be patient. You can do that. You just gotta have good risk management. Know that, all right, this could moon. I'm in, but if it hits this stop, I'm out. I'm out. Cut it. I'm good. I'll live, because you never know. The next play could just moon, and then it makes up your little loss you had on this. On another play, you just made it up. You've made more. You know, and you can have a 20% win rate if you're losing 2% of the time. 2% every 8 times, you know. And then you have the 1 or 2 that you win, even 3, 10, 15%, you know. But anyway, stop getting sidetracked. 12-month chart order block. 6-month chart. Okay. 6-month chart, bullish. You know. Ooh, right here, man. Money. So then you can take ranges on range. So now you got this range here. What is this fucking... Excuse my language. Take the high, low. Right here's the high. Boom. Money. This 50% lines up with this whole entire stock range. All the way here to here. Here to here, 50. Here to here, 50. Look, it lined up. Holy, look how close it is. Damn! Wish I'd seen it a little sooner. Okay. This is what I'm telling you. Like, you could have bought down here. Like, low-key, this is a pretty bullish look. You got this nasty candle, then the next candle, very weak inside candle, gap up. You can expect to move up, you know. Monthly. Okay. Okay, so what you can do, you can take a trade. Since these levels right here, I like trading off levels, right? So you can take this trade right here. Consequent encroachment of this range. Look at that. Is this right here. Don't make this shit up, man. You can see it reacted off this level. Anyway, you can, if it breaks above, you take it higher. But anyway, I did enter on this one because I looked here. You know, nice move up, nice little pullback, gapped up. My stop on this one. See, I'm just taking it to moon, right? Like for me, this on Monday should just pop above the high for maybe 3%. I'm out. I'm not holding this to see Jesus. I'm looking for the next play. But this is my play right here I'm in. Could come down. I'm out. I'll take the loss. But this has a high chance, higher probability than most stocks to go up. A lot of volume. Still good volume. Pulled back a little. See, these don't equal this, so there's still some volume in here, man. Drop into the daily. This is an order block right here, gappy-ish. So I'm using these right here. 60. Let's see here. 66. But this is the key level right here. If we break this, I can technically take this trade up to this level, 79. We'll see. We'll see, because I'm not going to lie. That monthly looks kind of scary. But the 3-month, usually it takes out a high or the low. Majority of the time, any candle, any time frame will take out a high or a low. Stop popping up! What the Anyway, and we started down here, so manipulated a little lower, hit this perfectly. Now where are we going? I think we come for these highs, bro. On the bigger time frame, I'm very bullish, bro. We're in an order block, boo, bro. Nice equal highs. This is some nice liquidity right here. This is a nice 190. It's probably a good target, but that's not gonna get hit tomorrow or the next day. It's probably gonna be like couple months. It's 36%, bro. That's all you need. A couple of these a year, bro. And then you compound it. This is where I'm a little gambling addict, bro. You know, I like to YOLO. But with risk management. If I'm out, I'm out. I'm not trying to lose so I can really flip my account. Anyway, don't take that advice, bro. But this is low-key all I need. A nice 20%er, probably the next month. But that's not even what I'm looking at. I'm just looking at this high. It's 3%. 3%, bro. Oh, I don't know what the hell happened. It's 3% right here, but, you know, 4%. It's 3%. That's what I mean. 3% I'm out. I'm good. That's all I need, and then I'm looking for the next play. Anyway, DouYu! I'm in this. Stop is below this midline. It's low-key. Low-key, it's below this one right here. If it goes here, low-key, no, it's the 50% of this. I don't want to see it go below. It's like 50% of these two. So it's around 66.39 is my stop. But I'm doing this on the $100 account challenge. So I'm going to take $100 to a mil. Watch me. YOLO every trade, you know. That's how you got to start, though. Start with $100, bro. $100. I wipe my ass with that shit. You know. I blow my nose with 100. I wipe my ass. You know, it's nothing, bro. Nothing. Forever grateful for it, but you know, it's nothing. Monday or Tuesday, usually likes to manipulate, bro. When Tuesday and Wednesday usually creates the low or the high of the week. Thursday, usually it will flip. Usually later in the day, Wednesday, Thursday, it flips. It goes the other way. Just keep that in mind, man. So if we're mooning up Monday or Tuesday, you know, be skeptical. But the way this closed, I think we might. It can technically come all the way down here. I don't want to see that. I'm out. Because why would I hold it here? If it comes down here and it gives me a good entry, sure. But that's too much risk. Why do I need to lose that? It's starting to look shit here. I'm out. Why am I going to hold it? Anyway. That is my technical review for DouYu.